Hello WordPress people. So in this video, we are going to talk about how we can secure file uploading API. So in our previous videos, I showed you how we can create REST API for uploading file and how we can restrict files by their extension. I showed only image we can upload through our API. Now I'm gonna show you how we can restrict the file uploading by users uh, based on their roles.
Before jumping into the code, if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would suggest to watch or review this website called thewpvoyage.com. This has very good tips and tricks regarding Gutenberg development and Gutenberg editor. So please go and check out this site. Thank you.
So currently, if we try our API and upload any file, then anyone can upload file on through our API, which is not secure. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can restrict files only to admins. So only admin will be able to upload the files through the API. Other than that, we will restrict them. So this is the REST API, and in the REST API, we can't add username and password, and based on that, there is no session in the REST API and all. So how do we do that? So for that, I have created a dedicated video for this. Secure your WordPress with JWT Authentication. In this video, I'm going to show you quickly how the JWT authentication configure. For the detailed video, you can refer this video. I'll put this link into the description section. So let me quickly show you how I did that. So this is the plugin JWT authentication for W. And once you install the plugin, we have to define some secure secret key in the WP config. So I have already configured that secret key that add the random string requirement. Then this also this might not need all the time. I did not add that. And once you do that, you are all ready to go. You just make sure that your permalink is set to post name. Okay. Once you do that, APIs will be available for your site. So I'm gonna show you those APIs. And if we go here, this will create authentication token, and I'm gonna show you what is token. So just use that. It's a post request which accepts username, password. So I'm gonna add my admin username over here and admin password. So we have this token key, and this token key is used by this plugin, and verifies the user. So here we have other detail as well. This is the user ID, username, user's email. So based on this token, API is gonna determine which user is running this API. So now, before that, So before using this token, we have to do one more thing in our code. So I'm gonna open my custom plugin file. So this is the function where we registered our API. And in this, we have to add this permission callback. Now in this callback, what I'm gonna do is that I will return true only if the user is administrator. Yeah, this is the way we can check if current user is administrator or not. So let's see what happens after we add that parameter. So if we try to run the API now, it will say that, sorry, you are not allowed to do that, because now it is expecting that current user should be an administrator. Don't add anything that determines who is running this API. So in that, for that time, we have to use this token. So I'm going to copy this token, and here I will go to the authorization and I will select bearer token. So that is what JWT token use. I have to copy this properly. So I'm going to copy the token and I will put it over here as a bearer token. Now, this bearer token is for admin user. So now from this, API should know who is running the API. So now I hit send. It should allow us to upload a file. So as you can see, now if admin is there, then only it is allowing file to upload. Now let's try to add a subscriber users token and let's see if not. So here is the subscriber. Let me quickly set the password. I don't know the password. Okay, user is updated. Now I will generate token for the subscriber user. Okay. Now I will copy this. So this token is of subscriber user. So user should not be able to execute this API now. Let's try to execute the API. And yeah, it says, sorry, you are not allowed to do that. So this is how we can secure our file upload API based on the user role. And yeah, this is it for this file upload API episode or series. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev.